In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Thunderbird emails text. Now to do this, first you want to open Thunderbird and you want to go to the top right, click on the three lines, and then from here you want to go to Account Settings. Then from here you want to select your email account here on the left panel. I only have one in here, so I'm going to click on this one. And then from here you can see your account settings, all of them, and here it says signature text. Now at this point you want to decide if you simply want to use some basic text or if you want to use HTML. Now I'm going to show you all the ways right now, so the first one is going to be just basic text. Let's say a signature is simply going to be best regards and then your name. You can simply click in this box, type in, for example, best regards, like this, and I'm going to, of course, do a signature as well, instant how to, the name of my channel, and there we go. You can click out of here. This is saved. If I go back to inbox, click on a new message, you can see, there we go. I have a signature in here, which is automatically going to get added every single time I send an email, okay? That's the first way to do this, but then of course you could also use HTML. So if you click on use HTML over here, you'll be able to kind of stylize this text as well, okay? So you'll be able to kind of make it bold, italic, etc. You'll be able to add different things in here. So you can of course go ahead and generate like a sample with something like ChatGPT or Gemini, and then you can go ahead and basically try that out. So it's going to give you some HTML code, and of course you'll be able to do it just like that. Now I actually did some HTML code over here, which I'm going to paste in here to show you how it looks. So it's just some sample I generated with Gemini. You don't actually have to know HTML code, but you can just tell it what you actually want to achieve, and it's going to do just that, and you can just paste it in here, okay? So I've done that right now. I'm gonna go back here, new message, and as you can see, there we go. This is just some sample over here, but that's how it's going to look like. Of course, a bit more professional because I used HTML. Now, you also can upload or attach a signature from a file. So if you have an HTML file saved on your computer with your signature, you can just click on attach here, click on choose and find it on your computer, and then click on it, and you'll be able to basically see that it's going to get used in here just like that as well, which is even a bit more fancy maybe, okay? So that's kind of all the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.